Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it's that time. Time that I have been dreading and not wanting. I've been putting off this thing for a minute, and I need to go ahead and take care of it. And what I'm talking about is this. Yeah, I've been neglecting my truck, and it needs a bath badly. And I also need to change the battery on it, so yeah, that's our task for today. Give the truck a bath and put the new battery in it. So let's go. What's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Khalif Assad, and I'm back with another video. As I said in the intro, it is time for us to take care of DD Titan. Now, I have been neglecting my truck the whole time that I won't say the whole time that I've been in Guam, but pretty much the whole time that I've been in Guam. The battery died on her. As you guys can see, the clear coat is starting to flake up, and I've got about 60 grand dumped into this thing. So it's time for me to clean her up. The bad thing is, as you guys can see, it's cold as out here. Japan gets cold in the winter, and I'm not used to this. But I can't take it to Ineos and have it washed, because the registration on it is done. I don't have insurance on it right now, so I don't want to drive it, risk getting pulled over, and then boom, or stand a chance of not getting through immigration to come back home. So not gonna risk it, don't want to take any chances. We're gonna wash it right here in the driveway. Probably take us about an hour or so, but yeah, let me get my stuff together. All right, so while I was off camera, I decided to go in the house and get some warm water, because the water coming out of the faucet here, it's too freaking cold. But we're gonna get DD Titan washed up, and then we'll get the cover put on it and go from there. This thing hasn't been washed in like a year and a half, basically. So I figured it's about time to wash it. It's starting to warm up too. It's probably about 45, 50 degrees out right now, which isn't too bad considering what it was. My nosy ass neighbor, I hate that dude. I shouldn't say hate, hate's too strong. I have a strong dislike for him, because of issues that I had with him when I first moved in and I was just renting the place. Fool, I wish you were here to do this. Hopefully I don't knock over the tripod. There we go. All right, so I know you guys don't want to sit here and watch me wash this whole truck. So I'll catch you guys as soon as it's done and we start dropping the battery in. All right, so we're finally finished washing the truck, but now I gotta put the secret sauce on it because as you guys can see, the paint is looking rather dull. Got a couple streaks. I didn't dry it off very well, just enough to put the secret sauce on it. But the secret sauce is gonna make it look so much better. And then after that, we can get it covered up and put it away. But we're gonna put the battery in it first, at least start it up. I haven't started this thing in a year and a half because the battery died and I didn't feel like being bothered with it. So we're gonna get it wiped down with the secret sauce and then go from there. So let's get to work. That sucks with the battery being dead. Is it unlocked? No, this is unlocked, okay. With the battery being dead, the locks don't work. I guess I could have put the battery in it first and then, ain't this about a female dog? All right, let's go over to the other side. I don't know what's going on, but I can't get in from this side. Once we're done, I'll give you guys a breakdown of what's in this truck. Son of a... I guess I should have probably put the battery in. Now that should be unlocked. Let's see. All right, cut. I don't know what's going on, but for some reason I can't get the back doors to unlock. I feel terrible because I've been neglecting this truck and I put so much money into this thing. If you guys have been following me since I built it, you'll know I put about 60 grand into this build. From everything from the subwoofers to the customization of the work that was done, the cage in the back that Magoto built. Yeah, I'm in about 60 grand and I feel bad because I've been in Guam for so long and I've been neglecting the truck, but it was really nothing I could do about it. Shit sucks, but it is what it is. I'll go ahead and get it cleaned up, covered up. That should preserve it for a while. And here in a couple of weeks, Anyway, I won't get into that. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing taken care of. Even my steering wheel, the sun has been beating on my steering wheel. I should have covered this thing up a long time ago. Anyway, let's get the secret sauce put on the truck. I'll show you guys what it looks like after everything's done. And then we'll get the battery put in, start it up. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Actually, I need to check the voltage on that battery. I might need to put a full charge on it. We'll check that first, and if it needs a full charge, we'll put a charge on it and then drop it in. But if not, we'll go ahead and drop it in and get the truck fired up and go from there. But yeah, let me get the secret sauce put on it. Here it is in a bottle. Can't tell you what it is, but it's good. Konnichiwa. All right, so let me bring you guys in so you can see the difference. Secret sauce, no secret sauce. Secret sauce, no secret sauce. This shit's good. So let me finish knocking this out. I'll cut you guys back on once it's done. So one thing I forgot to account for about the secret sauce is once you put it on, you gotta leave it for a little while and then come back and wipe it off with a clean cloth. So yeah, this is gonna take me a lot longer than I remembered from the last time I washed it, which is why I normally have food do it or I take it to Enio's. I wasn't prepared for my whole entire day to go into washing this truck, but it needed to be done, so I got it done. I just got to finish wiping it down, and then we're gonna get the cover on it. I'll give you guys a glance or a look of what's on the inside, maybe break everything down to you, and then, yeah, we'll end the video. But let me finish getting this thing wiped down, and we'll go from there. Whew, we're finally done. And when I tell you this was a task, this was a freaking task. Now I know and understand why Enio's hates to see this thing coming. They look at me with a look of disdain whenever I bring it in and get it washed. But I was gonna give you guys a look and explain what's going on the inside of the vehicle, but I'm tired as hell. Washing this damn thing has whooped my ass. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. This has been your boy Khalif Assad. Check it out with another video. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Click the post notification bell, turn it to all, so that you know when I drop a new video. With that, we're out. Rah.
We ready.